Welcome to day 3 of the Diastasis Recti challenge. Today is all about posture, because if you're in a slouched position, that mummy tummy, that pooch, that's going to be there for a long time. We need to focus on length when we're talking about sitting, standing, movement throughout your day, feeding your baby. All of these things have an impact on your recovery. So let's go through some exercises today that are going to help to strengthen through your back, focus on your posture, remind you of the way that your body should feel when it's nice, long and strong. So before we begin, just a couple of shoulder rolls. Breathing in. Let it go. Again, breathe it in. Let it go. Last one, big breath. And out. Okay, from here, let's head over into all 4 kneeling. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Open your chest, look up, breathe in. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your tail, cat-cow. Again, breathe here, open the chest, look up. Exhale and round through your back. Last one, big breath, open your chest. And exhale and round. Come back into your center. Slide both hips over to the left and look back towards your right side, looking back towards your toes. Come back into center, breathe in. Exhale, bump your hips to the right, look back towards your left. Again, breathe into center. Hips to the left, look back towards your right. And breathe in. Hips to the right, look back behind you. And breathe in. One more each side. Hips to the side, look back. Breathe it to center. And last time here, bump those hips, look behind you, come back into center. Pull your shoulder blades back, lengthen through your spine. Take your breath in here, let your belly expand. As you exhale, just as we did yesterday, think pelvic floor engages, belly hugs, wraps back. Connection, almost like you've got a scarf wrapping around you. Breathe in, let that go. Adding some challenge here. Exhale, pelvic floor engage, belly wraps, hug. Now slide one leg behind you, just to the ground. And then come back in, breath in. Other side, alternating legs, pelvic floor, belly, then slide the other leg back behind you. And breathing in. Adding here, opposite arm, opposite leg, this time option to lift the leg. And breathe into lower. Don't forget about your pelvic floor first. Pelvic floor, then lengthen, lift, engage that core. Breathe it in. Feel that connection. Pelvic floor, belly wraps, hugs back. Breathe. Keep alternating here as we go. Use your exhale to lengthen away. And your breath in to lower back down. Looking so good here. Notice your head, has it dropped down? Pull the back of your head back towards the ceiling. Notice your shoulders, have they creep back up towards your ears? Pull them back and down. Focus on that length through the back leg, but really try your best not to rotate that back thigh. So you don't want to be rotating and opening through the hip. You want to keep that back thigh facing down towards the ground, keeping those hips nice and square. The next time that you lengthen long, I want you to lengthen and hold here. So the back muscles are very different to a lot of other muscles in the body, and it's not about quick movements. It's not about lifting big, heavy to get big, strong. The back muscles or a lot of the postural muscles are endurance muscles. And so we're wanting to challenge the endurance, train the endurance of these muscles, because they're going to help keep you upright all day long. We're holding here for another 3. We're here 2 and 1. Release, other side, lengthen long. We're also training the endurance here of your core, so your pelvic floor and your deep abdominals, because we are maintaining a gentle contraction through pelvic floor here and across your whole torso. We are here for 5. Shoulders back and down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. We're going to do this again. Lengthen out. Hold here. Pull your shoulders back. Pull the back of the head back towards the ceiling. Don't look up. It's not a looking up. It's just pulling the back of the head back towards the ceiling. We're here for another 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Other side. Lengthen it long. Hold and breathe here. Notice this standing arm. Keep the elbow micro bent. We're here 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop. Hands go wide, knees wide, big circles through those hips. If it's too much on the elbows, you can always drop onto elbows here. That's a nice modification. And then circle back the other way. Alright, just as important as it is to strengthen your back muscles, it's so good to stretch them. So press your hips back towards your heels, drop your head down, and just enjoy this child's pose. Taking a few deep, slow breaths here. One more deep breath in and out. Curl your hands back towards you, and we are heading here up to a standing position. Okay, squats. So posture is very big and important, but using the whole body in compound movement is really, really important. So have your feet a comfortable distance apart, lengthen through your spine, and then we drop down, breathing in. As you exhale, come up to stand, feel that length through your body. Breathe in again, exhale, breathe in. So as you exhale, pelvic floor, belly wraps and hugs around. Breathe in. Exhale. Only go as low as it feels okay for you. Really power it up. That's it. 3 more. 2 more. Last 1 more. And release, shake it out. Okay, having one foot in front of the other, let's go right foot in front, left foot behind. Be nice and tall. Back knee is going straight down, and then we're heading back up again. You don't have to go low with this for it to be effective. What I want to hear is when you go low, then use your length, use your posture to come back up. Good. Hands wherever they feel good for you. It's still core connection, so we're lifting pelvic floor, belly engages as we stand up. Notice your shoulders. Keep them back and down. 3, 2, and 1. Swap those legs over. Again, be tall here. And let's go. So, when you're in recovery, particularly postpartum, it is not about isolating. So we're not focusing purely just on this part of your body. The body works as a whole. If you've got tight hip flexors, it's going to pull into different areas. If you've got a tight back, if you've got weak glutes, everything works as a whole unit. And that's what I'm trying to help you with in your recovery, is getting strength back through the whole body, and of course recovering that abdominal separation, but just getting you fitter, stronger, feeling more confident, feeling more lengthened, and just happier and healthier. That's the key, isn't it? More energized. 3, 2, and 1. Shake that out. Just a couple of hip circles. And let's circle back the other way. All right, let's come back down. One more round into all four kneeling. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Lengthen the spine. Take that breath in. Connection, pelvic floor, belly. Breathe in, expand. Exhale, pelvic floor, belly. Send opposite arm, opposite leg away. Okay, now lower the hand towards the knee and then press it away. Breathe in, knee, hand. Exhale. In and 3. In 4. In 5. In 6. In 7. In 8. In 9. In, hold out here, breathe here. We're here for 10. And 9. 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down, rock the hips. Got that? We're going to do it to the other side. Lengthen arm and leg. Okay, breathe in and out. There's 1. In, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, hold here, breathe. We're here 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, knees wide. Elbows down, circle those hips. And back the other way. Drop the hips back towards the heels, find that stretch. Drop the head down. Take one more breath in. Just let it go. Pull those hands back towards you, either kneeling or seated, your choice. Reach those hands out and open, breathing. Exhale, round the spine. 2 more just like this, breathe open. Exhale. Last one. And out. Release, shake it all out. Come through to face me. Take a big breath here. Roll those shoulders up, back and down. And well done. That is your workout complete. Hopefully you actually feel more energized after that one. When you work a lot of postural muscles, it actually can help to energize you. So hopefully today and in the days to come, you'll benefit from that. Posture. Think about it when you're sitting, feeding, standing, carrying your baby. Just in your day to day, it's going to help you so much. And of course, if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear what you thought of that session.
For more videos just like this, visit PregActive.com.